Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. In today's video I'm installing a 360 lace front wig from Perfectlacewig. The hair came in this cute portable box. You guys see Perfectlacewig. Let me show you guys the hair. So this is the hair straight out of the box. I don't know, that has settled now. So this is the hair. This is the hair right here, and they sent two clips. They sent an elastic band with a wig comb, two wig comb, an elastic band, and then a wig cap. So that's everything that is in this box. So guys, this is the hair. It's a 360 lace wig. Let me show you guys the construction of the cap inside. So this is what the inside looks like. It has one comb under. It has two by the sides, one here and then one here, and it has one at the middle. I'm using a ghost bond to just apply at the front of the wig.
You came with a warning. I should have seen it. My bad for falling. I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is. More than you're giving. What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb or reckless. You already reckless. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. And I don't wanna fix this. You already like this. Forgot.
So I'm using this elastic band to just lay it down so it meets properly.
Crying. What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. Oh no. What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb or reckless. You already reckless. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. And I don't wanna fix this. You already like this. Forgot.
Just using the wax stick to lay down the flyaways. Then I'm going to use my hot comb to melt it down. Just make it really flat.
But you're so right. track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I are safe and sound. Can we just slow down? And we just slow waste another day. I don't know how to stay. You say we need a change. Feel that you need it. It's just so right. We're losing track of time. Buying things online. It's not like we need them.
So guys, here's the final look of this wig, and let me know what you think about this side part in the comment section, because I wasn't feeling myself in the center part, so you have to go for this. This side part is the bomb. Like, this is good, you guys. I love the side part, and I feel it goes very well with my face. So yeah, I am with the side part. I'm going to leave details of this wig in the description box, so check my description box for more details on this wig I'm wearing. This is a 360 lace wig, and it is straight hair. I just had to coil it, you know. So if you want it straight, you can just don't coil it. If you want it straight, if you want the hair to be straight, don't coil it, because it is straight, sleeky hair, you know. But I went ahead to coil it, and this is what we are. So this is the end of this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you get notified each time I put out a new video. I'm going to see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.